Hello, cake lovers. Welcome back to Cake Factory. Today we are drilling into the world of spiral layer cakes, from color gradient to spatulated elegance. This cake will absolutely you, impress you. The first one is spiral layer cake, rainbow twist spiral. A tall, vibrant rainbow spiral that looks like a twisting upward, perfect for birthdays or bride to be celebration. Use a turntable for clean, even colors. The next is marble chocolate swirl. Layers of rich chocolate and vanilla cakes with marble effect, buttercream wrapped around in a swirl finish, topped with chocolate shards. The next is pastel spiral cake. Soft hues of pink, mint, lavender, and baby blue spiral across the cake, giving it a dreamy cotton candy look. The next is neon glow spiral cake. This cake features electric neon colors in a spiral form, paired with black fondant for contrast, ideal for glow parties. The next is caramel cinnamon spiral cake. A juicy cake with visible caramel drizzle spiral around the layers with a cinnamon frosting in between, great for fall. The next is Galaxy Swirl Spiral Cake. Deep tones of black, purple, and blue swirl to create a galaxy look. Add silver star and edible glitter for that outer space vibes. The next is Unicorn Spiral Layers Cake. Unicorn theme color spiral inside and outside the cake with piped unicorn ears and a golden horn on top. The next is strawberry and cream swirl. Real strawberries line the inside spiral layers, topped with pink swirl and sliced strawberries for a fresh finishes. The next is gold and white spiral elegance, a formal cake with a white fondant and metallic gold painted swirl, perfect for weddings or anniversaries. The next is spiral sprinkle explosion. Colorful sprinkles are expressed into the spiral buttercream. Every turn sparkles with fun. The next is chocolate hazelnut spirals. Chocolate and hazelnut crunches. Spiral layer topped with rocher and nuts. Rich and indulgent. The next is buttercream ombre spiral. Buttercream spiral starts light and gradually darken around the cake, smooth and elegant. The next is top fruit spiral cake. Kiwi, pineapple, mangoes, and berries spiral around the cake, refreshing and colorful. The next is peach and rose spiral cake. Peach colored with spiral frosting decorated with dyed roses. Simple yet romantic. The last one is 3D illusion spiral. Looks like a cake is twisting or melting, great for illusion cake lovers, requires advanced carving and airbrusting. To create clean spiral finishes, use a cake turntable and offset spatula. Which spiral cake was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like this video, share your loved one, and subscribe for more magical ideas only on Cakes Factory. Hit the bell icon so you never miss any sweet upload only on Cakes Factory. Take care of yourself. See you in the next sweet video. Till that, goodbye.